Hey everyone, welcome back to my DIY life. If you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, so we are going to be making some banana oat flourless pancakes. And the things that you're going to need will be 2 eggs, some vanilla extract, quick oats. Make sure they are the quick oats and not the regular rolled oats. And 1 whole banana. Oh, and a blender. So you can go ahead and start putting all of your ingredients into the blender. I'll crack my eggs and put them in there. And you're going to put the whole banana in there. It helps if you cut it or break it up into smaller pieces. It makes it easier to blend. And then you're going to get your quick oats and measure out 1/2 cup of oats. I'm making a mess everywhere. So you go ahead and put your oats in there. And then next you're going to need to take your vanilla extract and measure out 1 teaspoon. Two if you'd like a little bit more. I'm just doing 1. So now that you have all of your ingredients in there, you can go ahead and just blend them together. I'm using my Ninja blender. This is the smoothie cup for it. It fits perfectly in there. So you just blend it until all the oats are blended into a similar to a pancake texture. Then you can go ahead and start cooking your pancakes like normal. I'm just cooking them in the pan with some olive oil. This mixture should make about 3 to 4 pancakes depending on the size. Mine ended up making 3 and I had a little extra batter, so I think next time I should make them just a little bit smaller so I can get 4 out of it. So these actually cook up pretty well with the oats. I have made banana pancakes without oats before, and they basically are kind of like crepes. The texture isn't really for me. The oats make a huge difference, and they cook up very similar to regular pancakes. I had that one on a little bit too high. You just cook it until it is all the way done. And then here is my finished banana oat flourless pancakes. You can top it off however you would like. I'm going to add some butter on here. And as you can see, it looks very similar to regular pancakes, but it does have a banana flavor. And then I'm going to add some maple syrup to mine. You could probably also add some honey if you like, or whatever you like to top it off with. Then I'm also adding raspberries and blueberries on top. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like this type of content. Let me know below what you think. Please check out all my links below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.